How to add photos widget in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add a photos widget, then open photos and then scroll down. Go back and then scroll down and click on albums. Now create a new album and then write album name like test and then add photos. Now I can add these 3 photos and then click on add and then click on create. And if you want to add this on your widget on your home screen, then simply press and hold on blank space of your screen, and then on top left corner you can see the option edit. Now click on edit and then click on add widget. Now scroll down and find photos. Now here you can select any widget like that and then click on widget and then click on choose. Now click on test and then click on done. So this is the way to add photo widget on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.